Bitcoin money, BCH, is one of the most seasoned and most notable advanced monetary forms that exchange each crypto trade. Bitcoin Cash started its excursion when it was forked from Bitcoin in 2017. You can without much of a stretch purchase Bitcoin money. In any case, would you say you are prepared for this? It's time Bitcoin money captures everyone's attention from Bitcoin, as in 2017. We should perceive how this Bitcoin money value expectation can assist you with pivotal choices. Exchanges lined up on most stages, hanging tight for affirmation since blocks couldn't deal with the expansion in exchange size. To fight this, Bitcoin money expanded the size of blocks to between 8 MB and 32 MB, accordingly empowering the handling of additional exchanges per block. With a short of what 1 penny exchange cost and the possibility to handle north of 100 exchanges each second, Bitcoin money is a superior reasonable installment stage. Bitcoin money can deal with around 25,000 exchanges for each block. In examination, Bitcoin processes 1,500 exchanges for each block. Bitcoin money is likewise viewed as a protected speculation that, regardless of its greater blocks, hasn't been hacked since it was sent off. The disadvantage is Bitcoin money doesn't have a similar reception, acknowledgement, or request level as Bitcoin, so putting resources into the coin for exchanging may not be a decent choice. BCH is never at the foundation of any exchanging matches as is BTC, nor does it have remotely close to the degree of market cap or cost per token. Gauging these contemplations, go through our Bitcoin Cash cost expectation and decide if BCH is a decent coin to add to your venture portfolio. How much is BCH worth? The present live Bitcoin money cost is $138.61, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $210,168,340. Bitcoin money is up 4.80% as of now. The ongoing market cap positioning is number 27, with a live market cap of $2,675,290,555 United States dollars. It has a flowing inventory of 19,300,681 BCH coins and a maximum supply of 21 million BCH coins. BCH is plus 0.48% as of now. It is presently 0.29% from its 7-day all-time high of $104.32 and 6.18% from its 7-day all-time low of $97.95. The lower cost doesn't make it a superior or more open venture, since Bitcoin has generally performed much better. Over the principal long stretches of 2018, the BCH cost moved altogether lower with the Bitcoin cost, until help was found at the $600 mark. BCH recaptured a portion of the retracement and arrived at a neighborhood a multi-day value high of $1,800. Throughout the final part of 2018, the Bitcoin money conjecture costs turned out to be much more negative as experts anticipated a total accident. Toward the finish of 2018, the absolute bottom was at long last reached at $62. A concise push higher followed with a further union reach laid out between the $200 support and $450 opposition, where the coin spent the last part of 2019 and 2020. On the specialized graph for BCH over the course of the last year, we saw that the cost activity had turned bullish subsequent to getting through opposition around $36 toward the finish of 2020. The cost of the cryptographic money resource saw expanded request, prompting a trial of the $600 mark. BCH United States dollar followed and retested the $360 past opposition as help. After some union, the crypto market turned around and began moving higher in February. Following half a month of bullish force, another high of around $750 was reached, meaning a reasonable medium-term higher high was made. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. Our Bitcoin money cost expectation for 2023 proposes that it could arrive at a limit of $215.93. As a financial backer, you can expect the typical cost of BCH to be around $190.14, with a base expected worth of $184.91. The cryptographic money industry is supposed to encounter a positive change in the principal quarter of 2023, which could make the conjecture costs more feasible. All in all, in the event that the cryptographic money area works on as expected, the assessed costs for Bitcoin money could be feasible. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024. For each our Bitcoin money cost forecast for 2024, we guess that the greatest worth of Bitcoin money could reach $319.42. Our figure incorporates an expected least cost of $268.31 and a typical worth of $260.71. These expectations depend with the understanding that Bitcoin's vertical pattern will proceed and will correspondingly affect the worth of Bitcoin money. Bitcoin money value expectation 2025. As per the Bitcoin money cost forecast for 2025, the most extreme cost of Bitcoin money, BCH, is supposed to be $465.23. By and large, BCH is anticipated to have a cost of $397.51, with at least $386.78. The expansion sought after for the coin is supposed to drive up its cost and fundamentally increment its market cap. Bitcoin money value expectation 2026 for each are BCH cost estimate. The most extreme Bitcoin money cost in 2026 is supposed to be $665.49. The typical cost is assessed to be $577.55, with a base cost of $557.67. These projections demonstrate that the worth of BCH is supposed to ascend throughout the following couple of years, offering potential speculation valuable open doors for those inspired by this digital money. Bitcoin money value expectation 2027. According to our Bitcoin money BCH cost forecast for 2027, the most extreme worth of the coin is supposed to reach $963.65. It is assessed that the normal cost of BCH will be around $799.39, with a base cost of $770.51. With the rising reception of digital currency in 2027, it is conceivable that the cost of BCH could approach the $1,000 mark. This expectation features the potential for huge development in the worth of BCH before very long, making it a possibly productive speculation opportunity for partners in the cryptographic money market. Bitcoin money value expectation 2028 for each are Bitcoin cash cost figure. The most extreme cost of BCH in 2028 is supposed to reach $1,350.95. The typical cost of the coin is anticipated to be $1,172.71, with a base cost of $1,132.74. That's what these projections propose, assuming that the vertical pattern from earlier years proceeds. The outstanding expansion in incentive for 2028, as anticipated, could be accomplished. Bitcoin money value expectation 2029. For each are Bitcoin cost forecast for 2029. The future standpoint for BCH seems promising, with the potential for the coin to arrive at a most extreme cost of $1,987.16. Notwithstanding the greatest cost projection, we likewise expect a base cost of $1,673.62 and a typical cost of $1,000.